Hey everyone, I wanted to make a little short video real quick. I always find myself needing an old catch pan. I do my own oil changes just up my driveway, but I can never seem to remember where I put my old catch pan. So I'm going to show y'all real quick how I make mine. Alright everybody, hopefully you can see here. What I do, I just I save everything. I don't never throw anything away. But I just take and cut right around this upper perimeter here. Just be very careful when you do this. I don't cut the handle. I leave it on to give it a little more strength. But that's it. Just cut around the top like that, and you got yourself a little old catch pan. Just make sure that the lid's tight, and you just recycle this, throw it in the trash, do whatever you want to do with it. Thanks for watching.